Say hello to my little friend. I call it my mobile video production rig that allows me to capture good quality video content even in unexpected scenarios. And there's 3 criteria that I use for being able to do this. I want to make sure that I have equipment that's readily available without carrying an entire suitcase. And that's where this rig from Small Rig comes in, that has all the features and functions that would enable me to put everything on it. Second, I want to be able to capture high quality audio from multiple sources. On this rig, I have the 2 Wireless Pro, Rode Wireless Pro mics. I also have the Shure Move Mic, which allows me 4 different wireless mics in addition to having the Rode VideoMic as well. So I can capture all of those things together at one time, giving me almost up to 5 different audio sources as I record. Then the last is the steady video and fill light. Now, this rig, if you pull your elbows into your side, it really allows you to get good, steady video, almost like a gimbal. But it again has the threading on the top for me to be able to add a light so that my subject is well lit and my end product is something that I can use. Most people don't even know it was shot on an iPhone. If you want to know more about this, I'm going to share specs, connections, use cases, and some sample content in the full video. So here we are looking at my mobile video production rig. You're looking at it from the top down so you can kind of see what it looks like. I'll kind of lean it to the side and you see some of the other components that are on the table in front of it as well. Let's start off with the rig itself. It is a Small Rig universal cage for iPhone. We have the box for it right here. You can see that universal cage for iPhone. And let me just say right here, I'm going to give you a link to my Amazon page, kirkarnugent.live/gear, where you can find everything that I'm gonna showcase today on this mobile production rig. So that is the first piece. Now, the rig itself doesn't necessarily come with the handles. So I did get 2 different handles. You don't necessarily have to get these 2 handles. I have them in the cart there. The handle on the right does have a button on the front that you can use to trigger, and it has USB-C on the side of it on the bottom here that you can plug into your phone if you have a connector for that, if you're not using it for some kind of audio. The other handle on the left has some threading on the top as well for some additional things, but doesn't have any button. But you can see on the right that this one also has a hot shoe, and that's where I have added the Shure Move Mic. The other thing to note is that I have added another phone holder to the top of the rig. It's also a Small Rig phone holder. You can see it right here. And I have that for my Android phone, which is then connected to the Shure Move Mic. So that allows me to record 2 different subjects with that phone in vertical while I'm recording on my iPhone in horizontal. So capturing content in both different formats at the same time with this rig. On the bottom, I have both of my Rode Wireless Pro microphones. I should say one is the receiver, one is the transmitter. And then on the desk in front of you, you can see that the other transmitter is here along with the Shure Move mics as well. This is the charging case for the Rode Wireless Pro. On the top, right next to the light, I've got an Andor light on here. But on the top, I have the Rode VideoMic 2. So the Rode VideoMic 2 is on the top, and it is connected to one of the receivers of the Rode Wireless Pro system. And so I use this in several different scenarios to be able to have that audio embedded in the video that I'm recording on the iPhone. Sometimes, if you know how this works, the Rode Wireless Pro will record on left and right for the 2 microphones that you have. So this mic would be on left and this other mic would be on right. And so what I sometimes do is get ambient sound or room sound with the shotgun mic while I record my subject with the other mic. So I have ambient sound on left and I have the subject's voice on right, and in post that gives me some flexibility. So those are some of the pieces. The light in the middle again is a full RGB light box, LED light box that gets very bright and really has it enables me to add some light to the subject and some of the different things that I'm doing. There are some other cables that are required, a 3.5 millimeter cable to connect the mic with the video mic, the adapters, both lightning and USB-C for the different types of phones and mobile phones that are out there, and then the TRRS cable, which then connects into the Rode Wireless Pro mic or into from the Android phone into the Shure Move Mic. And I also have on the very bottom the quick release mount for my Manfrotto tripod. And so that enables me to put this on the tripod very quickly and easily, and then be able to use it as you would any traditional camera if you so desire. So I don't always necessarily have the tripod with me. I always like to actually hold it in my hand and do things that way. But I want to be able to switch and record something using the Move Mic, using the rig, so that you can see what that looks like. So just going in here to the phone, pressing on the camera, making sure we're on video, keeping my balance level. I'm going to switch to the front-facing camera and hope that I can get a good clean video from this. Just around to the side so that it isn't interfering with our front-facing camera. Just need to raise this up a little bit. We're gonna do right now, and tighten that back up. Again, adjust a little more. Once I have that where I want it, I'm going to disconnect the shotgun mic because it's not needed. And I'm just going to utilize the handheld mic with the Rode accessory. So we put that on to the side there, cover it, and I will plug this video in so you can see what it looks like and sounds like. Hey fam, it is good to be with you during this video. We are testing out my mobile video rig, making sure that it is capturing good quality sound, good quality video, and we can showcase some other examples of finished products where this was used to record and then edited and made available afterwards. Hit the stop button. I'll make sure that you are able to get that video as well. In addition to everything that you see here, we also have the ability to use the Shure Move mics that enable me to capture even yet more audio and video with the vertical camera, which is up on the top, and simply need to connect that through and use it that way as well. So you have, one more time for review, we have the video rig with the small rig universal cage for iPhone. On it we have the two Rode Wireless Pro, I shouldn't say two, we have one of the Rode Wireless Pro receivers here, we have another one there, we have the Rode Wireless receiver, that's plugged into the phone, the transmitters that I'm using here. Then you have the Shure Move mic connected to the Android. You have the Rode Video Mic, which we then connect into the other Rode Wireless Pro transmitter. Then we have the light itself. We have the quick release mount for the Manfrotto tripod. We have the two arms, two handles, I should say, for the phone rig that allows us to get that good, clean, steady video while we're recording in multiple different scenarios. So many times I've had to utilize this because of different things that were going on. Maybe a project, somebody wanted to record something very quickly, that we had not previously prepared for. And it just comes in so handy because a lot of these items, I have both my phones with me all the time. The phone rig sits in the backpack and it doesn't take up a whole lot of space with my laptop. The Rode VideoMic, also very small footprint. This is equipment that I have readily available with me pretty much everywhere I go. The Shure Move Mic system is both paired with my phone and paired with the receiver, so I do like to use that depending on the scenario that I'm in. But I have had situations and scenarios where I've had to film we're capturing one person with the Rode wireless piece, ambient sound with the VideoMic, and then mic'd up 2 additional people for this setup, for this shoot, so that I was able to capture everybody and be able to pull it all together in a finished product. And again, we're gonna showcase some of that finished product right here, right now.
Black love is more than a statement, it's legacy.
It's resilience, it's strength.
It's history and the future.
Unbreakable, unstoppable, and beautiful.
This is not just a gala, it's a movement.
We are here to celebrate our love story and all the stories that make us who we are.
The Black Love Gala is a reminder that we are stronger together.
Yes.
Honoring the strength, the beauty, and the power of Black love.
Hey Oakwood family, it's time for our 3rd annual Kicks for Kids Kindness Campaign. Yes, that's right, our 3rd annual. The first year we did 250 pairs of shoes. The second year we did a little over 500. But this year we're gonna blow 500 shoes out of the water. And we need you, yes you, all of our members and our online family too, to give to our Kicks for Kids campaign. We wanna bless the Huntsville community from the littlest, aren't these adorable, to the biggest kids with brand new shoes for the Christmas holiday. So that's why, starting this Thanksgiving, you can start donating your shoes so we can reach our goal of 500 shoes for the kids in the community.
Head over to kirkarnugent.live/gear to see all the parts of this mobile video rig. Let me know what you would add or subtract in the comment section below. While you're there, you'll also see a video production cart that I built. Click right here to see that video, learn the specs, and understand why I built it. Click right here to watch, and I'll see you over there. Grace and peace, fam.